So for this next number, which is question part 8 of question 2, which we were instructed to generate an SQL code to create the database tables observed from the ER diagram with other constraints like primary keys and including necessary data types and relationships. So there were very many tables that needed to be generated, and most of this is the SQL script and the constraints I generated, and then we opened the control panel, went to the admin room, which created a localhost with the tables generated from the SQL script. We have the epidermal data, we have columns and indices, we have facility type, we have we generated every single table from that ER diagram, including the referrals from the entities or the relationships of the processes. So as you can see, to the SQL script, for example, the treatment outcome ID, which is not now, and then the outcome name, which is default now, outcome description, date added. So if you get an entity like the malaria case, you're going to see even laboratory tests. We generated every single table to the SQL script. Also, most of the tables have indexes which were to help identify rows with specific column values. So, and there is also a tree constraints for different tables which we are told to put. So basically, constraints are used to specify rules for the data in tables. Like if you want to limit the type of data that can go in a table, put a constraint on a specific table. It helps like make accurate descriptions of the data in some of the tables. Because for some like laboratory tests, you need the constraints like you need a foreign key for malaria cases, because there's going to be different laboratory tests for different cases of different people, you know. So the laboratory test tables need a constraint. So that's the malaria case table. We're going to add the foreign keys depending on since there's different patients, depending on the health facilities, also and depending on the treatment. Yeah, so you add constraints to those.